Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Relax, it's me, Diday Vlog. So today, I'm going to cook a Filipino food, which is, I told you before, I want to do something different, but this one is different because I never had this, and I hope my dudong like this too. So, let's go! You going to taste? I need the...
Oh, you need me to taste it?
Of course!
Okay.
This is my first time again to cook this. Never cooked this, and I want you to taste it first. You know the drill.
Yeah.
And the spice. Here.
Ooh. Oh.
What?
I like it. DJ won't eat that.
Well, she have a separate soup without
Yeah.
spicy.
Yeah.
But you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh! So how is it?
Mm.
Like it?
It's porky.
You try the intestine, large intestine.
Mm-hmm. Met it before.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
So this is not your first time?
No.
So I drop some rice. Rice. Don't waste the rice. You had it before, so it's my first time. Oh! I thought it's your first time.
No, I've had like a Spanish soup or something that had this shit in it.
So there you go, to all Micah tribe somewhere there down the road. Joke. So to all Micah tribe, I told you I'm going to cook a Filipino food that it's my first time and my dodong's first time. I was a failure because I didn't know that my dodong already tasted this before, had this before. Is pork intestine, so it's my first time. And you're gonna ask me, how is it? I don't know. I never had this before, the real one, so maybe if I'm going to visit the Philippines, I'm going to try this. So I can tell. Alright, this is it. I think my video is getting long now, so I have to say goodbye, my boring goodbye. But thank you for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification down below. So for more video, and leave a comment down below also in this comment box. If you are so annoyed for my video, please don't be shy to write something in there. Please, so to let me know if I am so boring, or how is my introduction, yeah, my show, whatever you call. So before I signing off, I would like to thank you for a few people, so hang on. So I would like to thanks for this few people. So first is to I have a I have a list. It's a few, promise. Thank you for Absolum Isprikitek na nanonood po sa akin. Mabuhay po kayo at ang pamilya nyo. Ganda ng pangalan, di ba? At kay Kuya Habyan na walang sawang nanonood ng walang kakwenta-kwenta kong video. Salamat po Kuya Habyan. At kay Miss Golden Heart Wonder na wala pong kasawa at matyagang sinishare ang aking mga video sa mga katropa. Thank you so much Miss Golden Heart. At hello din kay Kicker Sweet, Yellow Sweet, kay Cebuana at Heart, at kay Ashton Vlog, kay MD168 and MBTV Canada Vlog, kay Art of Chris Reloso, June Mana TV, at sa mga bago kong katribo sa D-Dive Vlog Facebook. So kung hindi pa po kayo kung gusto nyo sumali sa aking Facebook, if you wanna join to my tribe in Facebook, just hit the link down below and I will accept your request. Please. I have a million member. on my tribe. To all my YouTuber follower here, thank you so much for being supportive, and thank you so much for always supporting me, even though I'm boring. Yeah. So bye bye. See you next time.